right back. What's going on, guys? Today we will be putting on the Evo X Lip and see if it actually can fit. We're gonna make some adjustments with the wheel cutter and see what we can do to adjust. I had this Evo Lip, obviously on my Evo. It's been sitting around for a while. There's a little damage here. It's pretty holy. Well, we'll see if we can adjust it and fit it onto here. Bought one of these wheel cutters on Amazon, so let's see how that does. Let's see the brand. The brand is Genesis 3-inch high-speed electric cutoff tool. Let's see how it does. So before we even start, I went ahead and marked off where I might need a cut. So I'm gonna take this off right here and then put on the lip and just see where I need to cut into. That way this is not in the way and I could go ahead and mark it on to the lip. But let's go ahead and lift it up, take these off. All right, finally got these off. These little carbon fiber air ducts for the fog lights. Clearly the guy before me that had this here, jerry rigged the crap out of it. So let's go ahead and put in the lip and see where we need to cut. I went ahead and marked it up. That way I know around what area I need to cut. So let's see where we're at. All right, my friends, if there's one thing I want to teach you guys with this channel is that you can do anything by yourself. You don't need the help of others. And if they don't want to help you, or you don't have anybody to help you, well, guess what? That's what I'm here to teach you, how to improvise and do your mods alone. Let me show you. So clearly I need to stand this thing up here. So, you know, use the box improvised so that I can hold the other side up. I need to, up here, so you can see the green line is right there, and I need to cut somewhere around this area. But guys, you can do anything alone. You don't need anybody's help. But here it is, guys. Let's go ahead and try to cut this. All right, so my plan is to adjust the middle first, because obviously that's holding it back from going to the right side. That way your two ends are perfectly aligned and you know actually where to cut. Because if I were to not cut this and just cut that, I'm not adjusting what is the middle to both sides. So let's cut here. Obviously this is an estimate, and try to make it neat and see where we end up. All right, now we can see here how crooked my lines are. But I'm pretty sure if we cut in right here, this little bit, this is gonna go ahead and tuck in. Probably sand this down and fix this off camera, but it looks good for guesstimating, I guess. But like I said, this piece right here, if I cut it, I'm pretty sure it'll go in flush. As for right here, I'll check. I'll cut this side first and see if this side actually needs to be cut. As far as the other side, like I said, it does look like we're gonna need to cut a little bit above right here, maybe less, and see where that leaves us. All right, for guesstimating and, you know, just eyeballing it, this is not that bad. Obviously off by a couple of inches here, maybe 1 inch, if that. And then the front here looks pretty decent. Obviously cut a little bit too much here, but we can tuck it in a little bit. And for this side here, obviously the lip is gonna be hanging up like that. You know, looks pretty good. Right here, I should have made it a more natural, right here, I should have made it a more natural bend instead of that 90-degree cut. But other than that, I think we're pretty much good. And I still can cut right here and make it that natural look into the corner. but we'll keep it like this for now. I just want to see how it fits, how low I am to the ground. I'm gonna go ahead and look for some screws so that we can screw this down and put it on the ground and see where we're at. But dude, all right, the Ralliart front bumper with carbon fiber inlets. Definitely possible to put an Evo X Lip on there. From a distance, you can't really see it. I'm gonna obviously clean up the rough cuts. Obviously repaint it down in the future. But just like any car, you know, put it together, see what fits, what's missing, then you paint it so you know what route you want to take after that. But we're looking pretty good, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put in these screws right now and see how low it is to the ground, show you the final product, and go from there, guys. Next mod should be the taillights. We're gonna tint them red, and probably one of my favorite mods, cheapest mods, and it makes the car look 10 times better if you have a white car, if you have a black car. Blue not so much, red on red, sure, but let's see how far we can take this build and you know, keep on grinding. Really happy with how that turned out. Obviously the lip looks a little bit busted because I eyeballed it, and yeah, it looks pretty bad right now, but in my eyes, things beautiful. Don't worry about what anybody says about your build. They're the last person you want to worry about. You want to worry about yourself first. Make yourself happy. If you love your build, keep on building it. Keep on doing what you got to do. Nobody should bring you down if you're, you know, doing your dream build or just adding anything to it. Wheels, lip, lowering it, not lowering it. Be happy with what you have. Don't worry about what other people have to say, man. It's personally happy. So yeah, looks kind of busted. It's all right. I'm probably gonna make some adjustments, clean it up a little bit. I'll do that off camera. But the next video, like I said, was gonna be the rear tail lights. I'm gonna paint them red, and gonna jump right into that right now, but I'm gonna make that a different video. So thank you guys for watching, and you know, subscribe, share. Thank you.